Well, I'm stopped for construction. Can you see that? It goes for miles. We are all stopped. Beautiful place to be stopped, I guess. I'll tell you right now, it's been a scary drive, but all the, what do you call those, turnbuckles are now much, much tighter, and I've had some wonderful, kind gentlemen stop and help. And it's feeling much more solid than it was before. Also, at Lake O'Hare, I picked up a young hitchhiker from France with his overloaded backpack, and I helped him get over Kicking Horse Pass. There were no shuttles to bring him to field, and he's off touring all around Canada all by himself by backpack. So we had a great little chat for the 10 minutes that it took to get over the pass. It was really neat. Oh, looks like we're moving. Guess I have to sign off. Second time I'm stopped for construction. Sure is a pretty drive when you can see around my big turtle shell. First time I picked up a hitchhiker all by myself, but he was just a young fella and he was trying to get a ride over that mountain, and I just couldn't resist. I'm glad I did it. It was fun talking to him. Made it to Rogers Pass. I'm still in one piece. It's a slow go, there's a lot of construction. And I did get up to speed and even in some windy spots, and I did okay. Turns out those turnbuckles needed to be tightened a whole lot more. This is a really special place. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. These were train trestles that engineers built to help the trains over Rogers Pass, and there's a little loop hike that you can do that's really pretty. Gets you up away from the highway, and it makes for a really nice stop. Next stop, hopefully, is Salmon Arm. Doesn't she look good just sitting there waiting for me? Do you see what I see? Run, little bear. So, it's been a long day. Bit of a rough day. I got a whole bunch of help from some wonderful people along the way. There was the young man the first time I stopped, the tow truck driver the second time I stopped, the hitchhiker that I picked up that couldn't be a day over 20, all the way from France, hiking his way across Canada, living out of his backpack. And of course, place I'm staying here, two guys helped me out. We had to get the camper on a little better than it was. So hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little easier driving and a little safer too. And we can start heading into places more remote. Good morning, BC. You can hear the highway down there. But otherwise, it was a very peaceful night. That is heaven. Well, I found some free Wi-Fi, and I'm going to try and put a video together for you folks. It's a much better day today. The camper is on properly now, and it's riding real smooth down the highway, instead of going like this. It was pretty bad, and I knew there had to be something wrong. So I got some great help from Wayne's grandson and his buddy. Everything is locked down solid now, and I should be good to go.